Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to order on Shein. The first thing I'd like you to do is to open the Shein app on your phone. Once you're in there, use the bottom navigation to browse categories or tap the search icon. The next thing to do is to tap on the item that you like, then select size, color, and quantity. But ensure that you have successfully logged into your Shein account. Okay, let's say I want to get this, the lip glosses, and that's going to walk me into this page. The next thing to do is to tap on add to cart. This adds the item to your shopping bag. Continue shopping or tap the bag icon, that's the cart icon at the top of the screen to view or edit your selections. So here you go. Now the next thing to do is to tap on checkout, which is at the bottom of the screen, so you can check that out, and it's going to take you right into this page. If you already have a Shein account, just go ahead and tap sign in and enter your credentials. If you're new, tap sign up, then register with your email or social media. The app may prompt you to verify your email before proceeding. Next step is to fill in your shipping method based on how fast you want it delivered. And once you're done filling out your shipping method, it's going to take you to the next page where you have to pick a payment method, either credit or debit card, PayPal, Klarna, buy now, pay later, etc. Apply any coupons or bonus points if you have them. Look for the apply coupon or use points button. Double check your order summary, item shipping, and total cost, and tap place order to proceed. Enter your payment info, card details, or login to selected method. Tap purchase or equivalent to complete the transaction. Watch for the confirmation screen, order received, plus an order number and ETA. Now you can head to my accounts, my orders to track your shipment. Shein updates the status, such as processing, shipped, or out for delivery. You receive an email confirmation and tracking info once your order posts. Use in-app tracking or the parcel carrier site for more detailed updates. So go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.